Hi guys, welcome to my channel Retro Quiz. Welcome to our quiz about retro cars. You'll test your knowledge of iconic models that defined an era. Rules. You'll see a picture of a classic car and 4 answer options. Only one answer is correct, and each correct answer gives you 1 point. Try to get the perfect score of 10 points. Ready? Let's go.
Question 1. Which luxurious American car became a symbol of extravagance? A. 1971, Stutz Blackhawk. B. 1973, Cadillac Eldorado convertible. C. 1976, Lincoln Versailles. D. 1974, Chrysler Imperial LeBaron. Correct answer, A. 1971, Stutz Blackhawk. Fun fact: this car was popular among celebrities like Elvis Presley and Frank Sinatra due to its unique design and luxurious finishes. Still haven't subscribed? What, you want the channel to stay without 1,000 subscribers? Subscribe and join our car lovers team? I promise, it's fun here and there's always something new. Question 2. Which Japanese hatchback was one of the first models designed for city driving? A. 1973 Subaru Rex. B. 1975 Honda Life Step Van. C. 1974 Mitsubishi Minica Skipper. D. 1978 Suzuki Fronte 7S. Correct answer, D. 1978 Suzuki Fronte 7S. Fun fact: this compact car was aimed at fuel efficiency and maneuverability, perfectly suited for Japan's narrow streets. Question 3. Which rare French sports car stood out for its aerodynamic design? A. 1972 Alpine A110-160S. B. 1974 Ligier JS2. C. 1971 CG1300 Spider. D. 1976 Matra Murena. Correct answer, B. 1974 Ligier JS2. Fun fact: the Ligier JS2 was equipped with a Maserati V6 engine and designed for racing, including the 24 Hours of Le Mans. Question 4. Which British wagon combined power and practicality? A. 1975 Reliant Scimitar GTE. B. 1972 Jensen Interceptor FF. C. 1974 Gilburn Invader Estate. D. 1973 Triumph Estate. Correct answer, A. 1975 Reliant Scimitar GTE. Fun fact: the Reliant Scimitar GTE was one of the first sports wagons, attracting attention for its rare combination of design and functionality. Question 5. Which Italian concept car was designed with a focus on innovative technology? A. 1974 Lancia Stratos HF0. B. 1976 Ferrari Rainbow. C. 1973 Bertone Carabo. D. 1975 Fiat X1 Turn 9 Prototype. Correct answer, A. 1974 Lancia Stratos HF0. Fun fact: this concept car became the foundation for the Lancia Stratos, which dominated rallies in the 1970s. Question 6. Which German sports car was one of the first with a turbocharger? A. 1972 Porsche 911 Turbo 930. B. 1973 Audi 80 GT. C. 1974 Opel Kadett GT/E. D. 1975 BMW 2002 Turbo. Correct answer, C. 1974 Opel Kadett GTE. Fun fact. This car became popular among racing enthusiasts for its lightweight design and powerful engine. Question 7. Which American pickup truck became iconic for its unique style? A. 1975 Chevrolet LUV. B. 1973 Dodge D100 Adventurer. C. 1976 Jeep Poncho. D. 1974 Ford Ranchero GT. Correct answer, C. 1976 Jeep Poncho. Fun fact, the Jeep Poncho stood out with its bold graphics and reputation for reliability. Question 8. Which Swedish sedan was known for its safety and innovation? A. 1972 Volvo 164E. B. 1975 Saab 99 Combi Coupe. C. 1973 Volvo 242 Deal. D. 1976 Saab 90. Correct answer, B. 1975 Saab 99 Combi Coupe. Fun fact, this car was the first in the world to feature a turbocharger for a family sedan, combining performance with practicality. Question 9. Which Italian car was famous for its luxurious interiors and handmade craftsmanship? A. 1973 De Tomaso Deauville. B. 1974 Maserati Chialami. C. 1975 Iso Rivolta Lele. D. 1976 Monteverdi Safari. Correct answer, A. 1973 De Tomaso Deauville. Fun fact, this car was Italy's answer to the Jaguar XJ and was known for its exceptional build quality. Question 10. Which French car became famous for its radical design? A. 1972 Citroën GS Beator. B. 1974 Matra Rancho. C. 1976 Peugeot 604 V6SL. D. 1973 Citroën SM Opera. Correct answer, D. 1973 Citroën SM Opera. Fun fact, the Citroën SM Opera was a luxurious four-door version of the SM Coupe, blending innovation and elegance in its bold design.
Results, 10 points. Incredible. You're a true car expert. 8 to 9 points. Great job. You know your rare cars well. 5 to 7 points. Not bad. Keep learning more about the classics. 1 to 4 points. Good attempt. There's always room to improve. 0 points. Don't worry, try again.